In question 5.4.4 we have something similar to the previous question, but now we go a bit backwards. So we have already the payment in the third period, which is equal to 6,000 euros, let's say, and then we know that the interest rate is 0.075, which actually stays for 7.5%, and well, we have 3 periods, and the question is, what would be the payment in the present value? What would be the value of the payment today? Well, assuming that we're using the simple interest rate, and we know that the formula for the simple interest rate is the payment at the point t equals to the initial payment times 1 plus I times t, well, we know that if we're looking for the initial payment, we can actually write it as the payment in the future divided by 1 plus I times t. It's just doing some math, it's just changing the terms of this equation. So with that in mind, how can we apply it over here? Well, we know that we want to find out the payment in the initial period. We know that we have the payment in the third period divided by 1 plus the interest rate times 3 periods, and the interest rate is given as 0.075. It's over here, 0.075. So if we do the math and we substitute the interest rate with 0.075, what do we get? Well, we would have the payment in the third period, which is equal to 6,000 divided by 1 plus 0.075 multiplied with 3, and if we do the math over here, we would have 4,898. So that would be the value of the first payment, given that in the third period we have 6,000 euros. That's it, we are done.